So what do you think is wrong with him?
I don't know. It's not broken. Because look, he's putting pressure on it. I know. He's putting pressure on it.
On both of them?
Yeah.
Oh, careful, little boy. Where does feet go?
He's pushing him up on my hand.
He's posing.
It's a cute birdie.
He looks funny swimming.
I know, it's so sad. His wings are fine. I know, baby. What's wrong?
Oh.
We don't have animals.
Huh?
Don't we have
In
like
Florida. Florida we did. I'm sure they have some type
They have
of...
a zoo or something here, a little zoo or something that they can put them in. I hope.
So, you know, we're not even... actually, Doc, we're getting ready to dock right now.
Huh?
We're
Why
docking.
weren't we docked all the way? No, they're docking.
Oh.
We're stopped. No, we're not. We're moving. Oh.
We're still moving. We're stopping now.
Before we weren't.
What are you
Why are we
doing?
moving still?
What are you doing? Put your wing back up there. There you go.
I hope Mark doesn't come over here.
Oh, no, no.
He's like, what's happening?
He's exhausted now.
It's cute.
Is it thirsty and it stopped drinking because it was salt water? Could that be?
It needed water.
Yeah. Well, if you listen to the
As
salt water.
soon as he got in that water, he put his beak down and started drinking.
What are sandpeppers?
Probably there was a bad storm last night, so probably during the storm he got whipped into the side of the ship or something,
Yeah.
or injured something.
I had
how
no clue
exhausted he is.
if it was there last night because it was.
Well, we can't keep him all day. So
Yeah.
Whoa! Now we're moving fast.
If anything, when we get off the ship, I can take him and sit him in like the bushes or something.
No.
We're not moving. It's that other ship.
Oh, baby, I know.
Look,
Dad,
see,
we are
look at this.
moving.
That ship's not moving.
Dad, we are moving. Then
No.
they are coming.